Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock an AT&T phone so that you can use it with any carrier in 2026. Now, before requesting an unlock, you will need to make sure that your device meet the requirements. Generally, the phone must be fully paid off, no reported as stolen or lost. It should be active on the AT&T network for the required time period, and it should have no unpaid account balance. If these conditions are met, your device should be eligible for unlocking. Now, you will need the phone's IMEI number, which is a unique identification number for your device. You will find it by dialing star hash 06 hash on your phone. The IMEI number will appear on the screen, so make sure that you write it down because it will be required for unlock request. Now, once you have your IMEI number available, you need to submit an unlock request via AT&T device unlock system. You will need IMEI number, your phone number or the account details, and your email address. So after submitting the request, AT&T will review the device information and confirm whether the phone can be unlocked. If your phone is eligible, AT&T will send an unlock confirmation message with instructions. So once it is approved, and your phone will be officially unlocked from the AT&T network. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.